Hi, good afternoon, and good afternoon. Right, we're just about an hour away from the highest tide. We're on 11:30, it's Wednesday. But I just wanted to show you from here, where we was yesterday, underneath North Pier. Look at it now. And we were walking there, about 12, what time are we on now? 16 hours ago? That's where we were walking. That sun's strong, bear with me. See how high it is now? And it's got, another, bear with me, another hour to go yet before its height, the highest. It's meant to be, it looks like they've reclassified it, because yesterday it was saying 9.5, but now they're saying it's going to be 10 metres. If you remember yesterday, when we did the walk along yesterday, if you've not seen that video, it's just gone out. I've literally had to take it off and then re-upload it for reasons that I'll go into another time. We'll get a bit closer in a minute, obviously, but you can see how it is already. You see it there. We have got a bit of wind, so apologies for the wind noise. I have got mic 1 with me, not the wireless, the wired one, so I think that's a little bit better than the wireless. But the wind's not terrible, do you know what I mean? Yet. But I presume it will be in a little while. Them waves. Yeah, we're having that bit of wind. It's coming over already, down on Bottom Walk. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, this one might go on, follow that back, I'm not sure yet, but if you've not seen yesterday's, I like that video from yesterday. Underneath Blackpool's oldest pier, that one there, the North Pier, 21st of May, 1863. Summer Street, but you can see where it was right at the bottom. I can't see anything for the sun, the sun's blinding. Right at the top, if that's what you want to call it. Whatever way you want to class it as. But yeah, look at it now from yesterday. What a difference. Yeah, what a difference. I'll best put the phone a bit closer. I'm not, like I say, I've not got mic on. I've not got gimbal with me. I've not even brought it. I needed things in my pockets and that. I've got backpack with me, but yeah, I'm not even bothered with gimbally. I have got just a selfie stick with me in my backpack anyway. I think I've said that the stabilisation on these phones nowadays ain't too bad anyway. Yeah, I tried to put some old photos on the video from yesterday, it might be today's, this morning's. Show you from here, this. Some old videos of the Metropole, the piers and what have you, North Pier. I'm not going down them steps. Go on, biker, go down them. Oh my God. These are the worst steps. Honestly, I hate these steps. There's glass and everything. Those steps that I've shown you going down to the beach near North Pier yesterday, on the video I've just put on. I'm saying yesterday because I'm thinking this might not go on until tomorrow, if you know what I mean. Oh, God almighty. I'm going down this one so I can hold on to the rail. Hang on a minute. Yeah, the steps that used to go down to the beach, they were bloody horrendous. I tried to put a couple of pickies on so you could see. Oh, God. Oh, that's better. Get me to the terror firm. Whoa, that could come over. Ah. Oh, it's well coming over. Oh my God. It's won't come over until I got there. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, that weren't fair, man. At least it's sunny and windy, so I'll be dry in a couple of minutes. Look at this now. That's where I just was there. See it? Oh, that freezes you, seriously. Wow. And the high tide's not for a good 3/4 of an hour yet. The high tide. Wow, man. This is meant to be, I've been told this is the highest tide of the, I've been told this is the highest tide of the year. I'm not sure if that's right or not, to be fair. I'm not putting mic in, I know there's wind noise, but then you can't hear the waves or anything. All you can hear is my music tones. Who wants that? No nasty comments. Thank you. We'll have a wander a bit further down towards North Pier. Not going north that way, North Pier going south. Oh, we've got, oh, look at it now. I'm getting out of the way. Oh, whoa. This one coming in now. Whoa. Oh no, it weren't that bad. Oh my God. You've got to be here on days like this. I know I've said I'm not putting mic in and that, but you've still got to be here to be next to it. Can you believe it was so far out yesterday? The video I've just put on compared to this now. Right, let's walk down here a little bit. Oh, I'm glad I moved. Oh, look at the waves coming in. I'll get down central a bit more by the time it's high tide. I know I've just put one on, but I might put this one on, follow that bike, so you can see what it's going to be like in a little while. Oh my God, look at the... Oh. You definitely wouldn't want to be where we was yesterday over there on the North Pier. Wow. No, thank you, my friend. Yeah, so another 45 minutes at least until it's at its peak. Call it that. Yeah, I might be best putting this on, you know, trying to upload this before I get down central, because it won't upload for you, so you can see what it's like now. And then I'll do another one down central then for tomorrow or something. I've seen already the Coast Guard. I passed the lifeguard station as I'm walking down. You know where it is on Midden Walk, I've shown before. And they're getting ready just in case there's, you know, anything happening. And what it's actually going to be like at the lifeboat station, I bet there's a few in. Look at that there. But look where we was yesterday. I said at the time, didn't I? I said that at a 9.5 metre, 10 metre tide, you wouldn't want to be where we was there yesterday, showing underneath the pier and everything. No, thank you. Look at that, man. This is just... Oh, man. I'm just going to get away from there a minute. Yeah, so I'm going to try and upload this one now. I'll put it on Follow That Biker, because I don't want it to interrupt, in a way, the one that's on Old Blackpool Bikers. It's literally just uploaded. I'll name it something like 10 metre high tide starts to hit Blackpool sort of thing. That wind's died down a little bit now, I think. Them waves are still rolling in though, aren't they? Anyway, I'm going to make myself a bit further down central-ish. Oh, man. Look at this one here. Wow. Yeah, I'll get myself a bit further down central. But for now, most of all, stay safe. I'm glad we aren't where we were yesterday. Stay safe, you know what it is. Have a cracking day.